When an F4 tornado swept through Idabel, Oklahoma in November 2022, it caused widespread damage to homes and businesses. The Burris family home was one of them. The tornado ripped off part of the roof, allowing rain to pour down onto their belongings. After the storm, their home was unrecognizable. Insulation and debris covered every square inch of their home. Windows were blown out and walls were gone. Water damaged the floor and walls in each room. Even worse, no contractor would help them with repairs. Until they called Triple Diamond Construction. Our team quickly mobilized and made a plan for repairs. We had one goal: give the Burris family a place where they could make new memories. We began removing the debris and got to work inside. And then moved outside to replace the roof and windows. In the end, we were able to give the Burris family their home back. We know the trauma and financial challenges that come with storm damage. That's why our team is so passionate about helping homeowners and providing relief, guidance, and total home protection in the process. Let us be your calm in the storm. We're your allies when disaster strikes.